Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's world, controlling devices often requires buttons, apps, or screens. But what if hardware could be controlled using just our voice? And this challenge inspired us to build a hands-free, AI-based solution. Keeping this idea in mind, we decided to build this project at MakersPlace. Today, we are showcasing a HaloCode AI voice-controlled LED project created using HaloCode. In this project, the system listens to our voice and responds in real time. As soon as the voice command is detected, the program is activated. Now let's see how the LED responds to different voice commands.
Red, green, blue, white,
This demonstrates accurate AI voice recognition and instant LED control. Here's a quick look at the coding done in mBlock. Voice recognition blocks detect the spoken command, and conditional logic is used to control the LED colors. This shows the complete setup of the project. This project, built at MakersPlace, demonstrates how AI and coding can be applied to real-world automation. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more innovative projects. Register your child for our coding and AI courses at MakersPlace. To purchase your own HaloCode, visit the Edu Marketplace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.